Right, sorry about the poor quality video and the lighting and stuff. I just wanted to give you a little insight into our family van life. So the van's not finished. You can tell apart from the roof. I'm going to finish it one day. We've only had it three years. Anyway, we're getting ready to go on holiday, and I made some extra cupboards. Again, yeah, we've only had it 3 years. Don't judge me. So I said to the wife, you know, you've got plenty of places to store things now, but I'd like some storage too, just to put some of my clothes as well. Yeah. Okay, I can't put anything there. Okay, fine. Oh, I've got some storage here. I can probably put some things in there. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. How about in here as well? Ah, no, okay. Right. I guess I'm taking some pants and shorts then. But no, wait, there is one more storage area. This is the storage area we've had for a while. We had this when we went away last time. So we've got the smart bed, rock and roll bed, and we've got our own design. I'm gonna find the button, drawer underneath. That's where my clothes can go. I really must do a proper walk around tour of this van for you one day, and why I think for a long wheelbase Ducato it's the ultimate family conversion, because we've got the rock and roll bed there, a couple of bunk beds at the back and a little kitchen in front. But I'll do a proper tour around it another time. Hope you're all good. See you all soon.